Let's decorate a gift for a baby shower. First, wrap your present in your ribbon. Now lace strips going across your gift that we'll use later to make little curls and tendrils. Use a twist tie to secure all of your ribbons together. Now use the twist tie to tighten it to the ribbon going around your box. A 4-inch wired burlap to make the bottom of my bow. This is going to decide the whole size of your bow, so make this your biggest layer. Use zip tie or anything you have to secure your bow in the center. Solid yellow is our next layer, and I'm only going to do a 2-looped bow for this one. Use the same piece of wire to tighten the next layer on. This is the ribbon I chose to tie all the colors together. It's got the coral, the yellow, and the aqua. Making a 4-looped bow, and then using the same wire to tie them all together. But we're not done. We're going to add 3 more layers and curl our strips, but you'll have to tune in for part 2 to see the finished product.